Yo YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Singzima out here with another banger video, and today we're going to be giving away flowers to students and people who have helped me participate in my YouTube videos. Yeah, thanks to Flowers Village for sponsoring me with these flowers, and thanks to everybody who helps with my video. Thanks to you guys for making this possible. So happy Valentine's and I hope you enjoyed the video.
Yeah.
You got that fire, my nigga Messiah.
Alright, so somebody I really wanted to give a rose was my mom for Valentine's Day. She's always helping me out and stuff, so we're going to go up there and give her a rose, I guess, and we'll see her reaction. I'll be back.
John, what are you doing here?
Happy Valentine's Day.
Oh,
Yeah.
really? Who let you in? I didn't
I
get
got
any
some
call.
boss downstairs.
So you brought this for me?
Yes.
You came all the way from where school?
Yes.
Oh,
Happy Valentine's Day.
thank you.
No problem.
Oh my gosh, oh my god. You're not gonna put that on YouTube or whatever your thing is, right? Don't put me on YouTube and I'll kill you. Oh my god, John, thank you.
I'm sure the
This is
people
so
miss you.
weird. Huh?
I'm sure the people that miss you because them those here from the pregnancy prank. Alright, so happy Valentine's Day, Stevie. You're always in my videos. Take one. No. You on? You don't want? Alright, it's your favorite YouTube friend, Kendra. Here you go while you consume your happy Valentine's Day.
Thank you, my girl.
Eat now. Eat now. Yes, we love it. We love to see it.
You
Nice,
made my
feel
day.
nice. I did?
Yeah.
So guys, we're going to give this one to Anya M, our bougie friend. She's over there sitting down. She doesn't expect it though. So let's see. Happy Valentine's Day.
I'm Jonathan.
You good? Look so.
I'm so happy for you.
No problem. Love you, kid.
Love you too,
Don't forget Anya on shout
Anya
it out.
Uncensored is my podcast, and it's on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and Anchor FM.
Free clout. Hey Gigi. Happy Valentine's Day. Take one. Pick a color.
So sweet.
Yes. Enjoy it. Please enjoy it.
I will.
Now beg for my friendship and my love and affection. Thanks for helping with my videos. Thanks for filming. Thanks for getting people in my videos and stuff. I appreciate you.
I love you.
You love me for real?
Yeah.
I love you though. I joke. So guys, I'm going to try and give somebody who is driving past a rose. This is harder than it looks, guys, because the sun is hot and I'm brown.
Wow.
She didn't want it. Happy Valentine's Day. So guys, now we're going to give a flower to one of the ladies at the stall. When you're starving in the middle of the day and you're on your way to your class, these are the people you love it. So you have to give back if it's even just a little bit. Make them say you appreciate them. Hi, good morning. Happy Valentine's Day.
Thank you.
I had to show my appreciation because you see me when I'm hungry in the middle of the day. It's still not saving my life, you see me? So thanks so much.
Okay, you're welcome.
Gunman in your hole? Happy Valentine's Day.
Thank you very much.
No
That's
problem.
sweet of you. You're taking pictures too.
Enjoy the rest of the day. You're beautiful. Drive safe. Don't make the road bugs bite.
I Alright, thanks.
You gonna sing? You gonna sing?
You want me to sing?
Sure, please sing.
That's why Valentine is coming. Where's that word? Because it's not lonely. Valentine is coming.
So guys, somebody asked me to anonymously give this rose to someone who's right here. So we're going to see reaction. See what she says. Big up to the guy who asked me to do this, I guess. You're welcome. You're a receptionist? Someone asked me to give you this for Valentine's.
Oh my gosh. Your video. Oh my goodness.
Hopefully, you know who it is, you think?
I don't.
You find out still.
Thank you.
Happy Valentine's Day again.
Thank you. Happy love day. Thank you.
Yo! Love you. You love me for real? You love me? Oh. Alright, so guys, we're going to give a rose to a Burger King employee. Yesterday, I was starving and it was like 45 minutes after the breakfast time, but she still went behind the thing and made sure that I got my breakfast, so big up to her. I'll be surprised to know the rose and see what she says. Hopefully she's at work. Hopefully. She's coming. That's her. Oh, happy Valentine's Day. For the breakfast yesterday, like, we went a lot, so I decided that I was going to give you Thank you so much. You saved my life yesterday. You gonna catch it?
I'll try.
If you don't catch it, you don't get it done. I want to give you this for Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day.
She's fed up, you know why she's fed up? Because you're walking past the lawns of Sass. And you know that today's homecoming and you're not coming over here. She's real fed up, so if you don't want her to be fed up, you gotta make your way to the lawns of Sass real quick. You're on food, we got music, we definitely.
A few moments later.
You got the vibes, you know the thing goes. So make your way to the lawns of Sass. It's homecoming 2020 and today promises to be an exceptional day.
One eternity later.
Oh, it's one you in. Just rock and come in. Yeah man, rock and come in. We're gonna be having a good day today. And real soon we're gonna be picking up the sponsors, so hold on with just
Eventually.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, watch it now. Let me see all the people who have a phone. Let me just put up a hand real quick. All the people with a phone or a laptop. So hold on, nobody don't have no phone or a laptop, but no one with something then. Ladies and gentlemen, let me see all the people with a phone or a laptop. Put up a hand. Alright, watch the style here. We have a famous YouTube channel known as Sing Zimmer, and they're here giving away a rose real quick. So you know it's Valentine's Day, and if you now give you a rose for Valentine's, you can get it right now. Hold on, the DJ, load that real quick for me. Valentine is coming, Valentine is coming, Valentine is coming. Where's the boyfriend? You're sleeping alone. Lonely. So watch your style, and if you don't want to sleep alone, lonely, you gotta make your way to the booth right now if you want a rose, courtesy of this YouTube channel right now. Sing Zimmer, they're here giving away some roses, so you can make your way. Mr. DJ, continue the music real quick for me. Yeah man, big up Sing Zimmer. Alright, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe. Sing Zimmer, they're here giving away some roses right now, and you're gonna be a part of their next YouTube video, so you can look out for that. Thank you so much for participating. You're most welcome. Yeah man, Sing Zimmer, big up every time. And don't forget to subscribe. You understand? You know the thing go. You hear the voice of Ryan Band. We're out here having a good day. Homecoming 2020. We're gonna have a wonderful time.
So yeah guys, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to smash the like button, comment and subscribe. Follow me on social media at Sing Zimmer on Twitter and Instagram. Yeah, happy Valentine's Day again. I love you guys. It's always the day after Valentine's Day, but still love you guys. Hope you enjoyed the day. Hope you enjoyed the rest of the week and all of them things. Anyways, hey guys, Sing Zimmer out.